Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible benefits of beetroot juice. In this video, we will uncover the top 10 reasons why you should start drinking beetroot juice. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of this vibrant and nutrient-packed drink. Are you an athlete looking for that extra edge? Beetroot juice might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Packed with nitrates, beetroot juice has been shown to improve endurance and enhance athletic performance. By increasing nitric oxide production, beetroot juice helps relax and dilate blood vessels, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. So, next time you hit the gym or go for a run, consider reaching for a glass of beetroot juice. Looking after your heart is crucial, and beetroot juice can be your heart's best friend. Studies have demonstrated that the nitrates present in beetroot juice can help lower blood pressure levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and promote overall cardiovascular health. So, by incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine, you're taking a step towards a healthier heart. Beetroot juice is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From vitamin C to folate and iron, beetroot juice offers an abundance of nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. So, make sure to include beetroot juice in your diet to reap all these fantastic benefits. Did you know that beetroot juice has the potential to boost your brain power? Research suggests that the nitrates in beetroot juice can increase blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, thereby promoting cognitive function and improving mental performance. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your brain health, why not give beetroot juice a try? Maintaining a healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, and beetroot juice can aid in achieving just that. This vibrant drink contains dietary fibers that support proper digestion and help prevent constipation. Additionally, the betaine in beetroot juice stimulates liver function and helps promote a healthy metabolism. So, drinking beetroot juice can be a great way to support your digestive health. If you want to strengthen your immune system naturally, beetroot juice can be a fantastic addition to your regimen. With its powerful antioxidants and vitamin C content, beetroot juice helps fight against harmful free radicals, preventing cell damage and boosting your immune response. So, consider adding beetroot juice to your daily routine, especially during those cold and flu seasons. Maintaining a healthy weight can be challenging, but beetroot juice might offer some help. This low-calorie drink is packed with fiber and water content, which can help keep you feeling full, curb cravings, and promote weight loss. So, by including beetroot juice in your diet, you're making a smart choice for your weight management journey. Who doesn't want a radiant and healthy complexion? Beetroot juice is known for its skin-enhancing properties. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, this vibrant drink helps nourish the skin from within. Regular consumption of beetroot juice can help reduce blemishes, promote an even skin tone, and give you that desirable glow. So, add beetroot juice to your beauty regime and let your skin shine. Detoxifying our bodies is essential in today's polluted world, and beetroot juice can assist in this process. The betaine pigments present in beetroot juice support the liver in eliminating toxins from the body efficiently. So, if you're looking to cleanse and revitalize your body, incorporating beetroot juice into your detox routine can be highly beneficial. Last but not least, beetroot juice can act as a natural energy booster. With high levels of nitrates, this vibrant drink can enhance stamina, reduce fatigue, and increase energy levels. So, if you often find yourself feeling tired or lacking motivation, give beetroot juice a try and experience the revitalizing benefits it has to offer. And there you have it, the top 10 reasons why you should start drinking beetroot juice today. From improved athletic performance to enhanced heart health, glowing skin to boosted immunity, beetroot juice truly is a magic elixir for overall well-being. So, don't wait any longer. Add this vibrant and nutritious drink to your daily routine and reap the incredible benefits it has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more information.